To use the Google Pixel 8a for beginners, first let's look around the phone. So at the bottom, this is the charging port. To the right, we have the speaker. And to the left, this is a microphone. Then to the left-hand side of the phone, we have this outline and a hole. This is the SIM card tray. The SIM ejector tool is on the opposite side of this G box, and that's the tool. And you just insert the thin end of the tool into the hole and push down, and this will partially release the SIM card tray. And then use your nails to open the tray, and this is where you place your SIM card. The Pixel 8a only allows one physical SIM card, so if it seems like you can't put the SIM card in, it may be because you're trying to place it on the wrong side of the SIM card tray. At the top, this is the front camera, and right above it is where you'll hear people when you are in a phone call. This also acts as a second speaker for music or video. And then on the back, we have our camera system and the flashlight. So let's go to the home screen. And first of all, this is your home page. And so you can long press on apps and drag and drop them to customize the location. All of your apps are stored when you swipe up in this app drawer. So all of the apps are here. To move an app from your app drawer to your home screen so you can quickly access it, long press an app and then drag and drop it to where you would like. If we swipe down from the top once, this is our notification panel. You can tap the arrow to view more of the notification. If you swipe the notification to the left, that will delete it. And if you tap clear all, that will clear all notifications. If we swipe down one more time, we have our quick toggles and the brightness slider, which we can change. You can either tap a toggle to turn on or off the option, and some toggles will let you long press to open the area of settings it contains. You can also swipe to the left and right to view more toggles and tap the pencil to add new toggles. We have the power icon here, and this is the first way to turn off your Pixel 8a. When you tap this, you can tap on power off or restart. The second way is, first of all, if you just press the power button, it won't actually bring up the power menu. You can see it's bringing up the Google Assistant. So the second way to power off your Google Pixel 8a is you just click and release power and volume up. So click release power and volume up, and it will bring the same power menu as before. Now, if you click and release power and volume down, so click release power and volume down, this will take a screenshot of your Pixel 8a. On the Pixel 8a, we have this white bar here, so we don't have the buttons. So to navigate with this white bar, first of all, if I open an app, in order to go home, so to go back to the home screen, with your thumb or finger, just do a flick motion on the touchscreen, and as you finish the motion, release from the screen. So it looks like this, flick up and release. And you can flick up straight or to the right. Now, when you exit an app, it still runs in the background. So to access the multitasking and close an app, before we were flicking up and releasing, this time do the same motion, but hold your phone on the screen and then release. So swipe up, hold, release, and this will bring us to the multitasking. And we can flick up on an app preview to close the app, and we can swipe fully to the right, and we have the option to clear out of all applications. If I open up an app, and I don't want to go home, but instead I'm in a sub menu and I want to go back. With my thumb here, we just swipe from the far right to the left and release. And you can see that little back button. When we see it, we release, and that will take us back. If you need to split screen, open the first app you want to split screen with, then open the second app, then enter the multitasking view, tap the first app you want to split screen with, then select split screen, tap the second app. You can double tap the swipe bar to swap the order and change the size.